Every building you see has been designed by an architect. Architecture means designing a building, and it also refers to the building style. For example, the ancient Greeks and Romans developed a style that we call classical architecture. Classical architecture lasted from around 850 BCE to 450 CE. Everything was simple and perfectly even. Lasting from about 330 to 1450 CE, the Byzantine architecture was full of large domes and colorful mosaics inside. During the 11th to the 12th century in Western Europe was the Romanesque style. It is characterized by features like thick walls, round arches, small windows, and sturdy towers. Romanesque architecture was common in places like France, Italy, England, and parts of Spain. The Gothic style, which was between the 12th century to the 15th century, was mainly used in building cathedrals and churches. Gothic buildings had pointed arches, carved stonework, and complicated windows. The Renaissance architecture style originated in Italy before spreading around Europe. It lasted from the 14th to the 17th century in Europe. This style was a rebirth of the classical ideas from ancient Greece and Rome. By the way, please subscribe for more educational videos about history, science, nature, and more. People during the Renaissance admired the elegance and balance of Greek and Roman structures, so they started to create buildings with similar features. This included things like columns, arches, and domes. Baroque architecture is a style that was popular in Europe from the late 16th century to the early 18th century. Baroque buildings often contain decorations such as sculptures, patterns, and detailed carvings. Baroque architects try to make people feel strong emotions and a sense of amazement and greatness. Modern architecture refers to the style of buildings and structures that are designed and built today. Modern architecture often emphasizes simplicity and the purpose and function of a building, frequently using new materials and technologies. American architect Frank Lloyd Wright, who lived between 1867 to 1959, influenced many other architects. He tried to blend buildings into their natural surroundings and have few walls so that rooms could flow into one another. At Mill Run, Pennsylvania, he built a house over a waterfall called Falling Water. Architecture changes constantly. Learning about the different styles and ideas are very interesting. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.